Hey, this is Chris from the Me, Myself and Puzzles YouTube channel, and today I will do a review on the QJ 4x4. So, first of all, there's 4 brands of 4x4s. There's Rubik's Revenge, which is absolutely terrible. Then there's the Ishin, which is pretty good for beginners. Then there's the Methods, which is actually one of the best brands out there. Then there's the QJ, which is the best one because it's cheaper. Then we'll go on to 1-layer turns. They're extremely good. Yeah. Then 2-layer turns, they are just as good, almost. Yeah. Then there's the mechanism, which is the best mechanism, which is the ball mechanism. And I would take some pieces out, but I'm too lazy, and because they're hard to get in. So the tiles, they are extremely good. They're textured from the QJ, and then it allows you to see what color there's on top, on the right, on the left, etc. So so the corner cutting, it's extremely good at corner cutting. It can easily cut a whole piece like this. I don't know if it's a whole piece, but whatever. So lockups, it never locks up. Almost. It's like if you try to cut too big of a piece, it's of course it locks up. Every cube does that.
Gliding.
So the gliding, it's extremely good, but it's like sometimes it goes too far. But if it goes like this, like this, like this, it's no problem because it can just cut the corner. So thanks for watching this review, and remember, keep cubing while you're improving.